Hi guys, spotted this beside the road and picked it up on impulse. I just thought it looked interesting, couldn't think what it was. When I got it home, I've actually realised what it is. It's the wheel off of a shopping trolley. It's one of those ones that got magnets in it or something to stop it spinning. Well, I wouldn't know which supermarket it's come from, so we'll have a look inside anyway. Well, I guess this is for setting it. Well, I turned those two clips and nothing happened other than they just broke off because I turned them too hard. But this is slowly easing off. So we got a rubber tire. That's what we were screwed into. And now we got this bit, which appears to be a sealed unit. Yeah, it's not readily coming apart. Well, we're inside. So we've got ridges around the inside there. And then this is like a brake mechanism. But how does it work from there? Well, there's a whole lot more electronics in there than I expected to see. That's sealed in. Well, that's an electric motor. And that looks like a battery. Lithium battery. So something must trigger it to drive. Something triggers that circuit to make it drive that motor, which will apply the brake. pin in it somewhere. Right, so we can see motor, gearbox. That last gear drives a spiral thread there, and that pushes this lever, or this assembly here, this whole piece, pushes it down that way, which, when that goes down, that pushes those bits out, so it operates the brake. And that's it. Can we get that bit off? Not until we get it unthreaded from there. We get that bit off. That's the end bearing that holds that. There we go. Out you come. There. So that's the bit that's doing the work. That turning round, that thread. Oh, it's all going to lift off now. Is driving that. And because those would be pivoted, my fingers are getting filthy. There we go. So that's how it works. And that locks the wheel. And the circuit board, you would think that inductor on that side is what's detecting you going outside the range. And then all the rest of that is interpreting that. There'll be a couple of those will be the motor driver to operate the motor. Whether it actually sends a signal anywhere, oh, because that's an aerial there, isn't it? Well, I'm not going to try and identify all the individual bits. But that's what's inside one of those wheels. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.